Hello everybody and welcome back to this introduction to Git video series. Git is without a doubt the most popular version control out there. Git was created by Linus Torvalds, who is also the creator of Linux. You would want to use Git whenever you're working on a project, either by yourself or a larger team. Git allows you to track the changes made to your project so you know what has changed in your application, and you can also revert back specific changes in case that they break your application. Version control in general allows teams to work together on the same project. For example, you would have a main branch where you would have your project living on, and then each developer would work on a separate feature branch where they would add the new features for the application. In order for you to be able to follow along, you would need to have Git installed on your machine, or you can use the interactive terminal, which I will share a link to below in the description. To check if you have Git installed, you can run the following command: git ---- version. For example, here I'm using ZSH as my terminal, and I have Git version 2.29.2 installed. If you don't have Git installed, I'll share a link in the video descriptions on how you can do that. This is going to be it for this video. I'm going to try to keep the videos short, so it's going to be easier for you to follow along. In the next video, we're going to learn some basic shell commands, which we are going to use throughout the video series.